Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Northrop Grumman expands Florida aerospace and defense manufacturing across aviation, space, and microelectronics. Northrop Grumman highlighted the scale of its aerospace and defense manufacturing operations across Florida, where the company operates 17 sites and 1.3 million square feet of manufacturing space. The company said its activities in the state range from naval aviation and digital aircraft design to space systems and advanced microelectronics production. According to Northrop Grumman, defense spending in Florida continues to drive industrial growth and technological innovation. The company stated that its operations support both military modernization programs and broader American manufacturing capabilities. At its facility in St. Augustine, Northrop Grumman operates the E-2 production line, which the company described as the longest-running production line in naval aviation history. More than 30,000 individual parts move through the production process before a completed E-2D Advanced Hawkeye aircraft leaves the facility. The company said the site has expanded significantly over the past 3 decades and now incorporates virtual environments and augmented reality technologies into production operations. Design and engineering work for the E-2D platform is carried out at the company's facility in Melbourne. Northrop Grumman stated that the E-2D Advanced Hawkeye remains a central command and control platform for battlefield integration in complex operational environments. The company recently delivered its 70th E-2D aircraft to the United States Navy, which it said reflects continued production momentum. The company also highlighted preparations for future naval aviation programs, including the Navy's 6th-generation F/A-XX fighter aircraft effort. Northrop Grumman said it has invested $13.5 billion across its business in research, development and infrastructure to support next-generation programs. According to the company, Florida would serve as a key manufacturing center if Northrop Grumman is selected for the F/A-XX program. The company said it employs approximately 8,000 people in the state and operates 3 million square feet of advanced facilities. At the Kennedy Space Center, Northrop Grumman supports production and assembly work for the Space Launch System through its booster fabrication facility. The company said engineers from both Northrop Grumman and NASA manufacture and assemble components for the solid rocket boosters used in Artemis missions. Northrop Grumman stated that the boosters supporting the Artemis II mission generated 7.2 million pounds of thrust during the first 2 minutes of flight. The facility also performs inspection and climate-controlled storage of flight components before launch operations. In the Orlando region, the company said its Apopka facility is developing advanced microelectronics packaging technologies through its microline production system. According to Northrop Grumman, the facility vertically stacks microchips to improve performance and processing speed while reducing size. The company stated that the microline has doubled production output since opening in 2020 and positions Northrop Grumman among a limited number of companies capable of advanced chip packaging within the United States. The technology is intended to support future aerospace and defense systems requiring compact and high-performance electronics. Northrop Grumman also highlighted its digital engineering work on the B-21 Raider stealth bomber program. The company stated that the B-21 program originated in Melbourne, Florida, where engineers used digital modeling to integrate design, manufacturing, and supplier data. According to the company, the digital environment reduced the time required for engine runs after fuel testing from weeks to 5 days. Northrop Grumman said the B-21 program's expansion increased its Melbourne footprint from 6 buildings to 17 between 2016 and 2022. The company stated that the B-21 recently demonstrated aerial refueling capability during flight testing, extending the bomber's operational range and improving test sortie efficiency. Northrop Grumman said the aircraft continues to demonstrate strong performance throughout its flight test campaign. Northrop Grumman added that its operations generate approximately $5.4 billion in annual economic output within Florida. The company said it works with nearly 500 suppliers in the state and contributed $1.2 million in charitable support for STEM education, workforce development and military and veteran programs during 2025. According to the company, employees also contributed more than 20,000 volunteer hours across local schools and non-profit organizations. Northrop Grumman stated that its workforce and industrial presence continue to support innovation in aerospace, defense and advanced manufacturing throughout Florida. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @electronics technology fit.